Want to invest in high-priced stocks like Amazon or Google with just a few dollars? Schwab Stock Slices lets you buy fractional shares of S&P 500 companies. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In the trade ticket, look for the Stock Slices option. You can choose from a preset list of S&P 500 companies. Select the stocks you want, up to 10 at a time, and decide the total dollar amount to invest. Schwab will divide your money equally among your selections, purchasing fractional shares of each. There's no commission fee. My crucial pro tip? Use it for themed diversification. Building a tech portfolio? Select 5 tech giants and invest $100 total. You'll own $20 worth of each. It's a fantastic, low-cost way to build a diversified basket of blue-chip stocks without needing thousands of dollars. Invest in your convictions, not just your account balance. Which S&P 500 companies would be in your first Stock Slices basket? For more guides on modern investing features, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.